Good morning, student. Today we are going to start with the question 5th exercise 11.1. In this question, we have to construct an equilateral triangle given its sides and justify. So we have to construct an equilateral triangle given its sides, means its side is given and we have to justify also. So here I have drawn a line segment AB which is of 5 centimeter. So you can take the line segment of any measure here, because here only it is written in the question given side. So side can be of 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. It depend on the u. I have taken 5 centimeter here. So we know that in equilateral triangle each of the angle is 60 degrees. So from A I will draw a 60-degree angle, and from B I will draw a 60-degree angle. So I think everyone know how to draw 60-degree. From B I am drawing first. Take a sufficient distance, draw the arc. You can draw a minor arc because you have to draw 60 only. Same distance, and from this point draw the arc here. So this will give you 60-degree. This point where the both arc is intersecting. Now join this point with B, and you have to draw the ray. Okay, so you can draw this as far as you want. Okay, similarly follow the same process. From A you have to draw the 60-degree. Again draw the minor arc because we want only 60. Then from this point you have to draw the another arc, same distance what you have taken initially, so that it will intersect the first arc. Now from here also, this is the point of intersection. You have to join A, you have to extend it, still it will intersect the first, this line. Now they are intersecting at this point, so this will be your the third vertex, that is nothing but C. So this will be your given equilateral triangle, and if you will measure AC and BC, it will be of also of 5 centimeter. Okay, you can see here it is of 5 centimeter. Okay, so here it is said that you have to justify also. Okay, so here just I am writing, this is 5 centimeter, this is 5, this is 5, and this is 60-degree, this also. Okay, now justification. So I have already written in justification in triangle ABC. We know it is equilateral triangle, so all the three angles A, B and C will be equal. So but we don't know, so it is X. Okay, now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 by angle sum property. Angle A, B, C value is X, so X plus X equal to 180, that is 3X equal to 180, X equal to 180 upon 3, that is X equal to 60 degree. This is your answer. Now exercise 11.2, first question, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 centimeter, angle B is 75 degree and AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeter. So they have given the sum of other two sides, and the base BC, one of the side, is 7 centimeter. So you have to start with the base, that is BC. So here already I have drawn BC of 7 centimeter. Again you can see here angle B is 75. So here I will draw 75 degree at B. Now for 75 degree I will require 60 and 90. So we will start drawing now. Now you already know how to draw 60. Okay. So take a sufficient distance, draw the arc. So I am drawing the major arc because we have to draw 90 also. Now this will give us 60 and this will give us 120. Okay. Now bisector of 60 and 120 will give you 90. So bisector, draw the one arc from 60 and one from the 120. So bisect of 60 and 120 will give us 90. Now see, our aim is not to draw 90 degrees, so you can draw this as a dotted line. So this will be 90 and this will be 60. Bisect of 60 and 90 will give us 75. So that is why this is 60, this is 90. Take the distance and draw the arc here between 60 and 90. So and 90, now I am taking 90. So from here, from 90 you have to draw the arc such that it will intersect the first arc. So this point, this will give us 75. Now join B with this, which will give us 75 degrees. Now student, you have to draw this line, very long one. I will tell you why. So I am drawing this up to here. Okay, so you have to draw a very long line like this. Okay, now student, this is a ray B. Okay, we have to locate a point D which will be the equal to 13 centimeter. So from here, from B on ray 75, you have to draw the arc which will be at a distance of 13 centimeter from B. Now student, it is very difficult to take 13 centimeter. So what we will do, we will first take 10 centimeter. See, even for the 10 you have to straight too much, so it will give us 10 centimeter. So initially from point B, here point B is there, I am taking the arc which is 10 centimeter away from point B. We want 13 centimeter, so now I will take 10 I already taken. Now I will take 3 centimeter. So take a distance of 3 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeter. Now take 3 centimeter. Okay, now this point is 13 centimeter away from B. Okay, name this point as D. Now student, join D with B. Okay, so you have to join D with B. So I am joining D point with C, not B, sorry, with C point. You have to join C point and D point. Okay, now student, this is D point and this is C point. Now you have to take perpendicular bisector of DC. Okay, and you know perpendicular bisector means you have to take more than half of the line segment. So DC is a line segment, I am taking more than half of that, and draw the arc, one arc here and one arc here. You have to do with the pencil student. Okay, I am doing with the sketch pen so that you can see proper. This was our arc, first one. So point of intersection of this is here. Okay, this point, be careful where it is, and this one here. Now you have to join this two. So this is a perpendicular bisector of DC. So join these two. You can extend also. If you are not extending also, it is okay. Now this perpendicular bisector of DC is intersecting this line BD at this point. ये point में intersect का. Now this point is nothing but point A. So this will be point A, this one. Okay. Now this is point A, B, C. Okay, we got A, B, C. So now join A with C, and that will give you a triangle. So this is a triangle ABC. Okay, now there is lot of arc there. Okay, so what you have to do in such a case, just shed this with the pencil. Okay, so that you will come to know this is a triangle which we require. Okay, so triangle ABC is a required triangle. Second student, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 8 centimeter, angle B is 45, and AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. So already here I have drawn BC, which is 8 centimeter. Now you have to draw angle B of 45 degree. So for 45 degree we have to draw 90 degree, and for 90 degree we have to draw 60 and 120. So here I'm drawing 60 and 120 first. Draw very carefully, take your time. So this will give me 60 and this will give me 120, and bisector of 60 and 120 will give me 90, which you know how to draw. We are done in the 8th and 7th standard also. Now this is 90. Now join it. You can dotted line also you can do. So this is 90. Now this will give you the 90 point, and this is a base 0. Now bisector of this will give you 45. You can take full or you can take more than half. Draw the arc here, another arc here. This will be your 45 degree, and you have to extend this. Now you have to extend this up to the last. Okay, I will tell you why. Now on this you have to take the difference of two sides, that is AB minus AC, which is 3.5. Now student, angle B is given 45. You have to see where is the vertex B. It is initial, means AB. Vertex is before minus sign. When that means AB is the longer side. So when vertex B is before minus sign, then you have to draw this 3.5 arc in this way above this line. Okay. Now see, we have to draw 3.5. So take distance of 3.5. Okay. And now draw the arc. It will intersect here. Okay. So student, this will be your point D. Okay. This will give you the point D. I am writing here, this point is a D. Now join D with C. And now draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. Perpendicular bisector means more than half. Draw the arc here, here, then from point D. You have to extend this. Okay. Now intersect this. This is the one point. Intersect them and extend it so that it should intersect that line. Okay, so it is intersecting here. The student, this will be your A. This will be your A. Now this is ABC, join this A. Since we want triangle ABC, join this A with C. So student, this triangle I am shading. This is your required triangle. You have to shade with pencil. I am doing with the pen so that you can understand. This is your required triangle ABC. Okay, and if you will measure the difference of AB and subtract AC from AB, you will get 3.5. Okay. Question third, student, construct a triangle PQR in which QR is 6 centimeter and angle Q is 60 and PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. Okay. Now here QR is 6 centimeter, so already I have drawn QR 6 centimeter and angle Q is 60. So here you will draw 60-degree angle. Very easy to draw. Now from here draw the arc, so this will give us 60. Okay student, now when you are joining Q with this point which will give you 60, you have to extend it downward also. Okay, I will tell you why. आपको नीचे की तरफ भी उसको एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा. See, I am extending, so I am extending down also. Okay, now student, why I extended down? Now see here which angle is given, angle Q, and angle Q is after minus sign. That means the vertex or the side PQ is smaller one. अगर ये एंगल जो गिवन एंगल वो माइनस साइन के बाद में रहा, वो उस वर्टेक्स एंगल Q माइनस साइन के बाद में रहा, तो आपको ये जो 2 सेंटीमीटर difference which is given between two sides, that you have to draw down. In the first and second question we have drawn the arc up, but in this question we have to draw down because angle Q is given and angle Q is after minus sign here. So it is a part of the side, okay, which is smaller. माइनस साइन के बाद है Q, इसलिए ये जो हम यहाँ से आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे 2 सेंटीमीटर का, वो we will not draw up, we will draw down. So here initially you have to take 2 centimeter and you have to draw the arc down here. Now the point D which you used to take, now that point D is here. Now join D with R. Now take perpendicular bisector of this. It is intersecting here. Here. Now join them. So it is intersecting here. Okay, so this will be your point P. Okay, now join P with R. So this triangle will be your required triangle PQR.